Hi guys, it's User Labs. My name is Fro, and today we're gonna talk about 3 interesting upcoming drops that will be recently these days on a launchpad. We need to keep in mind that any launchpad drop is the high percentage of some profit, some excess, because the launchpad always like more popularity, more stability, and they are listing just instantly, so people are starting to outbuying it, or they just see it somewhere on the launchpad. So this is a really great sign, a really huge green flag. And now don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now just let's go. The first one is Hidden Boyce. Price is 1.55. So Hidden Boyce aim to become recognized brand which integrates the NFT world. They plan to bridge the gap between digital and physical assets for their brand and others with the NFT marketplace. So interesting art, interesting conception by the roadmap. For now they got marketing, website mint, a listing on a secondary markets, then they will get rarity. Then there will be a merch launch. Portion of profits will be outdropped to holders. Nice. Release of 10 frame 1-for-1 Hidden Boyce. Verifiable through NFC tag, providing the authenticity of the products. Then will be Hidden Girls mint. Then will be Hidden Girls merch launch as well. And they will launch their own launchpad. Portion of profits will be outdropped to holders as well. Then there will be market merchandise launchpad. Then there will be holders only collectibles, including physical 3D models. And then its breeding system leading to Hidden Boyce. So if you're owner, you can get it maybe for free, maybe for some money, but this will be kind of special merch, and it's looking really nice. Really, I'm not a huge fan of the merch when the collection is doing merch and talking about it, but this thing, I really love it. It looks really interesting. This is some connection to Marlboro, I believe, and for me personally, I would love to get a shirt like that for free, or maybe even for kind of some money, because it's looking just awesome. I think, in my opinion, these hoodies are looking nice as well, so I believe they can really become a big brand, maybe with some clothes, and I think really a lot of people would love to get something like that, and when they get it, it's not just only something pretty looking. That means that they are a part of a unique, interesting community. And if we take a look on their previews, also they looking something really nice, and this is kind of an F collection, something like that, I believe. Yeah, and I think really like everyone will just love it. This visual, not so many details, but I think this is just a huge detail. This is just awesome, guys. So yeah, not kind of so much details, but looking really minimalistic and just like nice. The next project is Dead Regex, 3,939 absolute Regex wandering around Solana. It's more hyped than the Hidden Boyce, but in my head I got some connection in them. They got a huge lore in here. They will got their own tokens, they will got their own game. So first they are launching, then you can enter the metaverse. It's only for a holders. Then they will create their own DAO, then they will create their own tokens, and you can stake your that reject to get these tokens. And 9,000 USD from mint revenue will be for a pool, for liquidity pool for this staking, and 90% of all generated reject royalties will get into the staking pool as well. And this is really nice conception. I believe I saw it in the Cheetah collection. It was in the video about like really low cost Sol collections, and they jumped from 0.5 or 0.7 to 3 Solana, I believe, and they got really same conception. They got 100% royalties was moved into the pool, and now you can earn about like $5 per day, I believe, from staking $300 worth NFT, but you can buy it for $50 or $70, and it's looking really kind of nice. And this is a nice conception. I love it. And of course they will got their own metaverse. Then you can mint undeads. It will be only for a holders, and unminted supply will be burned. And later in this phase, Regex will come across the female Regex. This thing as well, there's many collections, many successful collections. They are launching a female versions, and kind of only successful collections doing that. This is not the main green flag, this is not the main info, but we also need to keep that in mind. Moving through their Discord, we can check really a lot of reactions on this message. It's about like 4,000 reactions for only 4 stickers. First 4 stickers, this is really a lot. The price will be 1.75 sold. The public sale will be 2.15. The whitelist for 2,500. So we got for public about 1,300. This is nice as well. So yeah, really nice community, really lots of activity in here. There is really lots of people in their Discord, in their Twitter, and I really love their sneak peeks. It's nice conception. This is not what we used to see on Solana. This is more kind of NFTs, and I really love it. And the last one is the stoned frogs. This is so hyped. I don't really think we need to look at this supply. About 8,400 is not too much. For Solana Collection, they got really a lot of lore in here, and they will get as well their own P2E game, their own metaverse. You can plan to earn. You can own your metaverse cannabis coffee shop. Yeah, and I believe they want to open one in a real world. There will be a staking as well. There will be a special community building, and I think the NFT, the blockchain, the crypto community really love all of these things about cannabis. We can talk about bone hats and other famous collections. So yeah, there's plenty of them, and I think this one will be really hyped as well. And what is interesting, they will get right after the mint the mystery box. So if you're a holder, you can participate to win $1,000 worth of prizes. Maybe like for per prize there will be a smaller amount, but 1,000 prize pool is kind of nice when you can enter, when you only for holders NFT. You don't even need to pay anything for it. They got really a lot of people in their Discord account. It's about 60,000 in their Discord account, about 25k in Twitter. The activity here, the reactions here are really huge. So yeah, and again, I just really love the reveals there. This is looking just like a gem 100%. I can even mint it without any research, without any fundamental things, because I just love this visual. And I think all Solana NFT like enjoyers, flippers, they all just love things like that. And it doesn't even matter that there will be a 4,400. It will be the whitelist only. So I think the best idea for us, because to get in the whitelist it's too late, the best idea for us is to buy the whitelist. If it will worth about 1.5, maybe even 2 sol, we can still flip it with a good profit. This was the upcoming 3, the most interesting means. I believe you can find even more. I just told you guys about the most hype, the most interesting, and kind of guaranteed big gains, big profits, projects that will give us a really good profit. I think April is really kind of full of interesting drops, interesting collection. So I don't know, look out, look for it, and don't miss any of them, cause a big money just waiting for you around the corner. It was me for all, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, send link of this video to your friends, and see ya.